All set now, ready to race, and the race is on. Mr. Godfather, Don Don's entry, Geronimo. And moving up by the rally's amazing face down on the inside is away. We go, Gondor, Chapel Guard. Amazing face from the outside is Mr. Godfather. Away we go. Is running by the Gondor in the middle. Geronimo alongside is Chapel Guard. Don Don's entry is racing in 6th position. Then here comes King Aljun, Atoy for us, number 7 Terry Toon, and My Chic is running at the tail of the field. Gondor, Mr. Godfather, Chapel Guard, rushing up, moves up to take the lead. Chapel Guards now the leader. 7A, Mr. Godfather. Gondor down on the inside third, rushing up in for this amazing face by the rallies. Away we go. Don Don's entry, King Aljun moving up from the outside as they swing for home. Chapel Guard, Mr. Godfather by the rally. Away we go. King Aljun racing on the outside. Geronimo and nearing the finish line. Chapel Guard by some 3 lengths. King Aljun is on the outside. Geronimo and nearing the finish line. Number 6 Chapel Guard, and finally Chapel Guard, King Aljun, Geronimo, 7A Mr. Godfather. Amazing pace, and for your super sa East, number 8 Don Don's entry.